Hi guys, so today's gonna be a bit of a different video. So I've realised, like I'm sure most of you guys have, during lockdown with not much to do, I have done a lot of online shopping, which you can probably tell from my channel because I did a lot of hauls at one point. And I also realised that since I moved to this house, don't scream, it's not been that long, it's been like 2 years, but since I moved to this house, I have not gone through my wardrobe like properly ever. Like I've never ever gone in, taken everything out, like looked through clothes. I've never done any of that. So I thought I should try and get my life back together and basically see if I can find some clothes to sell on Depop, because the girl's really broke, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, when I think about how much money I've spent, my friends kind of know I have a problem with shopping. Like, I would say I'm borderline a shopaholic, I would not lie to you. I have a problem, like I can't stop myself. When I see something nice and I get it in my head, I literally can't stop myself, I just have to get it. So I've dug myself a bit of a hole money wise because I don't have any money now. So yeah, I need to go through and find things I can sell, and I'm gonna be so strict to myself. Like I need to find things to sell. Also, before I continue, I want to say that first of all, this video was not my idea. One of my YouTube friends, Jess, I'll link her channel below, she actually did this video. She basically did a video where she went through a wardrobe and found things to sell on Depop and just made a video about it. So I'm doing something very similar, so I want to give her some credit because it was her idea, not mine. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this. I know this sounds really boring, but like, keep watching it. I'm sure I'm going to make it entertaining. It's not going to be that boring. So yeah, let me give you a little backstory because you're probably wondering why I'm so bloody red and burnt. Basically, I went to the beach with my boyfriend and his friends, and we did wear sun cream. We weren't stupid, we wore sun cream. We still somehow managed to get like properly burnt. And another thing, so obviously if you wear like a hat, you're not gonna get your head burnt. I don't have a nice hat. Like, I know I did a haul and I had a hat from that haul, but that hat actually looks so weird. Like, it looks so weird. Wait, I'll show you guys, you get what I mean. It does not look normal on me. I don't know what is going on with it. Right, okay, I'm just gonna put it on so you can see. Right, look at that. Right, ignore how I look, but that does not look like a normal baseball cap. I think it's one of those, like, you know when skateboarders wear those really weird like shaped hats? It's one of those. Or like, is it breakdancing? Do you get what I mean? Do you get what I mean? I don't know. But this is not a normal hat. I think I was in denial. Like, I think when I bought this, I was like, no, it's a normal hat. Then the more I tried it on, I was like, no, this is not normal, this is weird. So that's a waste of money. Actually, I'll sell this on Depop. You know what? I've got my first item I'm gonna sell, so perfect. Long story short, I did wear a baseball cap. My head is literally fried, like it's so burnt, and it may look like I have dandruff. I promise I don't, or maybe unless I've developed in the last like 2 days, but I'm pretty sure it's just my scalp peeling. And yeah, it's not pretty, guys. I'm not a pretty sight at the moment, so I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, anyways, I need to clear from my wardrobe. So let me give you a little tour because I've got 2 wardrobes. It'll make more sense when I say that. I'm gonna sound really like weird and like stuck up and rich, which I'm not. Okay, let me show you. So I have this wardrobe here, which is obviously just like a normal wardrobe that you just like buy. It's not in the wall or anything. It's got 2 doors, and like that's what it looks like inside. I'm going to be going through all that, and obviously it goes along there. Then I have another wardrobe. Ignore how ugly this is. I do have plans to try and make it some kind of pretty, but for now this is what we've got. So it's just a built-in wardrobe like that. I feel like these wardrobes are a very British thing, if that makes sense. If you live in England, let me know if you know what I mean. But yeah, so I've got like a little cubby thing up there. I can't even reach that place, so I'm not gonna go near that. But I've got this wardrobe here. Now I'll open it for you. It is a mess, I'm just gonna warn you. So I have this like slanted cubby thing that does not really fit because I've got a suitcase just over there. And then I have literally all my jackets, like my big ones, all along here. And then I've got like, look at that. Just, I'm so sorry if you're a neat freak, but look at that. I need to go through all of that and find things to sell. So yeah, and I hope you guys will stay around to watch me do it. I promise I'm gonna try and make this entertaining because I don't know what it is. I don't know if you're the kind of person that loves going to car boots, you're gonna love this video, because I watched my friend Jess's video and I loved it. I don't know what it was, it just reminded me of going to a car boot for some reason. So if you like car boots, you're gonna like this video. You guys are gonna see all the stuff I'm selling on Depop, so if you like anything, you can help me out, maybe buy something. I don't overcharge, like I'm not crazy. I need money fast, so they're not going to be very expensive prices. They're just not going to be very expensive things, so you might get a good price for something. So first thing I'm going to do is take those drawers out and like clear through them. So I'm going to do a little montage of me doing that, and then I'll make a pile of things I'm going to keep and things I'm going to sell. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. One thing I want to say as well before I just get on and like start clearing through, I'm also going to give you guys some tips on Depop, because obviously I'm no Depop guru or anything like that, but I found really good ways to sell my items quickly, because I know with me, I'm so impatient. Like as soon as I upload something, I want it to sell like instantly. And I found some very good tactics. They might not be the most orthodox? Yeah, they might not be the most orthodox tactics in the sense that like people probably wouldn't recommend you do this, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and it worked for me like very well with selling stuff. And do you know what, I've literally had so much drama happen with Depop. I had someone hack into my account, had to make a new account, had some celebrity that I sold something to like basically not troll me, but basically there was a whole misunderstanding where I sold her an item and she thought it was fake when it wasn't fake, and then she got all of her followers to basically tweet me. She basically got all of her followers to tweet at me and basically be like, oh my god, she's fake, she's not a real seller, blah blah blah. And then when I messaged her and spoke to her, I think she realized that she was in the wrong, and it was very stressful, like. But yeah, anyways, that is just in the past, but I have had my fair shenanigans of Depop. But anyways, I'm gonna get on and show you guys me clearing through. That is the 2 things there, and that is just the start of it. I've got so much more that I need to clear through.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, it's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living, but I don't really care what they all say.
So I have gone through everything now. My camera did actually die whilst I was filming, so I had to do all the time lapses on my phone, so just letting you know in case, just letting you know really. But my room is a mess. It is actually like a massive mess, but I'm going to show you anyways. I've just got really random piles, but I hope you'll understand my logic behind it. So let me show you. Why am I so close up? Let me show you what I've basically piled up. And yeah, and also I had no idea how much clothes I had. Like, I feel like I'm honestly the biggest hoarder when it comes to clothes. But anyways, this is everything I'm gonna put. They're all jackets and boohoo dresses that I had from like year 9 and 10 when they were like a massive thing. Then I have that pile over there, which is just everything that I'm gonna keep that I've gone through. That's a random pile of things that I'm gonna sell. And then yeah, this is just like a massive pile of things, and that as well that I'm gonna sell on Depop. What I'm gonna do before I actually officially decide what I'm selling and what I'm not selling is I'm gonna go through it and like pick out things for my sister, because basically if you guys have a sister, you know how annoying it is when she steals your clothes. My sister is 11, she's turning 12, and she literally takes my clothes all the time. I don't know how she fits into them, but to be fair, I'm 5 foot, and she takes them and wears them all the time. So I'm gonna let her see if there's anything that she wants to keep before I sell it. I am surrounded by piles of clothes, but we're gonna ignore that. So I'm gonna tell you guys like a couple of tips that I use. They're nothing like amazing, like they're kind of self-explanatory, but I honestly cannot stress how like this actually helped me sell things so quickly on Depop. A lot of people when I first got Depop told me to like use hashtags. Honestly, for being completely honest with you, I found they did very little for me. Like especially when you're a brand new Depop account and you're so little and you've got like 50 followers or something like that. Like how are people gonna actually find you? And if like you're just selling everyday wear, it's something significant. Do you know what I mean? Personally, that's just me saying, I don't think hashtags are actually that useful. Like for me, in my experience, they were not. The one thing that I did do, which I'm gonna guess they're probably against Depop's policy, I'm not entirely sure, but I would actually type in things that I'm selling. So I would type in like H&M pink top, whatever, type something like that in. So I would then go through the posts that I found and I would look at their likes, and then I would follow everybody who had basically liked that top. And I know that is a bit like a bit like dodgy, not even dodgy, it's just a bit like, who does that? I get you, I understand that. But from doing that, people would then look at my account, they would find things they liked, they'd message me like asking if it's available and stuff, and then they would sometimes even follow me back. And I've now, like, from doing this, I've got like over 1,000 followers on Depop, which isn't like an amazing number, it's something big, but I've also sold like a lot of things through doing that. So I had around like 4,000 followers on my first account, and I got that quite quickly. I had to then get rid of it because I was hacked, and because I had that whole thing with that woman who was like fake, not celebrity, but she was like really well known, she had loads of followers. I mean, it was all kind of like sorted it out, and she apologized and stuff, but obviously nobody was gonna buy from my account. So yeah, that's why I got a new one. For me personally, that is the best way I've been able to sell things. So I was gonna go through and kind of show you guys everything that I've decided to sell, but as you can, well, I don't know if you can, but you probably would have been able to see that it was like a lot of stuff that I decided to sell. So I don't think there's much point me going through and showing you each individual thing. So I'll just link my Depop down below for you guys if you want to go and check it out. Like, there's going to be so much stuff on there, I'm not gonna lie. So have a look on there, maybe there'll be something you like, maybe there won't be. You never know. I'm hoping there will be, but if it's not, then oh well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, because I promise you I'm actually interesting, and I promise you I'm actually funny. If you subscribe, you will see that in my next few videos. So yeah, subscribe, it means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.